Everybody, so, ayun. Big trouble. Nasira yung light ng aming sasakyan. So, ayan. Pwede na lang may sasakyan sa harapan namin. And also, may sasakyan sa likod namin. So, we're just using their light for our way. But still, this is very dangerous. So, I hope everything is gonna be okay. So, we have to keep following this car, the one in front of us. Otherwise, we don't have any lights. And the one behind us is giving us another, light. So that we're gonna be reaching our hotel safely. So that's it. I don't know, but I think the car behind us already noticed that we've lost our light, and he's helping us actually. So he's using all these car lights for us to be able to see the way. So I hope I can see the plate number to ping them, because otherwise it's really going to be hard for us to find. To whoever the driver is of this car, thank you very much. So I'm sitting at the back of the car, and he's giving us... Okay, it's done. So we're taking... Ayun, everybody, so natuluyan na kami. Wait. Okay, everybody, ayan, so... Thank you dun sa sasakyan na ginaid kami until makarating kami dito sa ano. If you remember where we had our lunch, we are back here into this place where we can ask for help. So ayun, they are in the front fixing. I think it's like a fuse. I also think it's like a fuse, no? Like yes. I don't know how to call it, but I think it's just wire. Yes. It was not just properly connected. Oh, ayun. Everybody, I'm outside, so ayan. I hope they can fix it, because ayan. Fuck, it's really fucking cold right now. Anyway, I need to pee. They can fix it, no? Light is good. Okay. Maki-isosyo tayo. Yeah, the wirings. Thank you. Ayun nga siya.
Do you have tape?
Scotch tape.
Scotch tape.
Ayun siya. Uy, thank you. Hoy, may light. Dahil nakatulong, i-ano natin yan. Banggitin natin ang pangalan ng aking lights. It's Ulanzi or Ulanzi. I bought it from, I think, Noon or Amazon. I forgot. It's very cheap, but see, it's very helpful right now. And it's very light. It's compact. Taray. Kala mo may sponsorship. O, malay mo naman, Ulanzi, baka naman. Hi, it's really, really cold outside. I don't know if you can see the stars, but it's beautiful. Well, I don't think you can see, but yeah, there, oh. Little lang, but see, there, still. Hoy, alam mo. Ang OA ko kanina. Kakapanood ko ng mga ano. Mahilig kasi ako sa mga survival na movie. Abdullah, can you put light to me? Abdullah, light. Ay, wait. Kakapanood ko kasi doon ng mga survival movie. Ang OA ko, sabi ko, don't use your phone, put an airplane mode, all the power banks will itabi, be ready. O, ayan. O, at least nakakatulong yung mga diba, yung mga pinapanood kong mga survival mode. At least alam ko, kompleto ako. Nagulat sila, may ilaw ako, may mga kinempirot akong inilabas. O, diba? So, ayan. Okay na ako kasi a lot of people are fixing it now, so I'm for sure na magiging okay naman kami. And may mga tents dito, so if ever na we'll not be able to go home, but for sure I think we can go home. We can sleep here, so okay. That's gonna be all. Goodbye. Good night. Everybody, good morning. And ano ba? Ha? May shoes. This I don't bring. Visit ka. May shoes. Everybody welcomes. Visit. Okay, sa jeep pala kami sasakay today. So we're gonna be riding the jeepney. Pinit... No, in my bag.
Alignment date.
May bag.
Sunny.
Ang gulo mo? Ang gulo rin yung bag ko. Everybody, welcome once again to the 5th day of my Skardu Hunsa trip. So, for today's video, I think, I'm not sure, but I think we're gonna be riding those jeeps. Going to the place. Dama mo. So, let's see how this days goes. And again, this is Kate Toretto. Come with me as we go explore. I think it's called Diosay. Something like that. So, let's go ahead and do it. Taray naman talaga ng aming sasakyan today. May pa-National Geographic. Iba talaga. Ay, grabe yung mga, yung mga private tours na ganito. I think, pag kayo pipilit ng maramihan, if you can afford it, like if you have a group of friends to do it, like, do that. So, it's not gonna be like this na super hassle because they are accommodating a lot of people, which I think they can't manage, honestly. So, but again, let's always find a way to be positive and make this day like as happy as possible. Hey, wait, I forgot my jacket. O, di ba nakakaloka? Ay, for everybody, you know, alam niyo hindi ako masyadong ma-opinion about things. But if this is gonna be something that's gonna help you in your tour or travel, I'm gonna let you know. For example, you're in Pakistan and then you choose to travel here. If you can, avoid being with the ladies. Because they have a lot more complications. Like a lot of adjustment is gonna happen if you're with them. So, don't bash me, ah. It's just an opinion. Ano lang yun, parang for those who wants to travel and... Kasi, alam mo naman in the Philippines, di ba? Like, it doesn't matter if you're boy or girl, everything is easy. You can stay in one hotel and everything, things like that. Here, complicated pag nasa loob kayo ng sasakyan. Kasi may family, kasi may babae, yung mga ganong bagay. Only if you just want to avoid it. But if you're okay with it, then go ahead. Okay, only if you can. See? See? It costs everyone's time because of more requests from them. Oh, let's be honest, some ladies are cool, but most aren't. In this trip, in this particular trip. Okay, but everyone is just okay. I'm with this guys. Very easy. Walang reklamo, tulog. Ang kanyang kapatid, walang reklamo, tulog. Ganon. So I'm with the boys. When they asked me if they want to be with the boys, I said yes.
Your friend is here.
And the best friend. Good morning, best friend.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Good sleep. Also, ayan, those are the things that only if you want to consider. But if you're okay with it, again, once again, okay. Let's respect them. Of course, it's their culture. But for me, I'll just choose something na hindi ma-affect masyado yung trip ko. See? They're having a lot of conversation than there, which I don't understand. That delays everyone's trip for the last 4 days. So, it's annoying, yes. But, again, be thankful kasi maganda ako, yun lang. Di ba? Kung maganda ka, dead ma. See, I told you. Diba? Nakasakay na kami doon. But since another family are complaining, see, I told you. Diba? Kung gusto nyo ng private tour, magbayad ng mas mahal. Para hindi nyo na-affect yung other people. Diba? Ganon. See? They will adjust everything for them, which is irritating. See? I told you. So, again, here we are. We're gonna wait. But it's okay. Instead of being with them, that's okay. See? Imagine mo kung pala reklamo ako, nakikipag-away na din ako. But no. I don't complain. Sapat lang maganda ako kasi, alam mo, di ka bibigayaan ni Lloyd pag reklamadora ka. See? I've never seen these two guys, these two brothers, say anything. Hindi na nagko-complain about everything. But today, yes, they did. Napuno na rin sila. So, ayun. Interview, let's admit it. Interview, is it stressful? Is it stressful, right?
Yeah.
They're adjusting everything for...
Yes.
See? I told you. But you didn't. Good thing na lang you are guys, you don't complain. Okay. Irritating.
We don't complain because we don't have rights to complain.
We do have because we paid for it, but we don't want to waste our energy. Let's just not waste our energy for that.
What would we do if we complain?
Yeah, nothing. Then they will not take care. Yeah. See, I told you. But you didn't listen to me told. this is okay. I would rather be stressed and be with the good guys who don't complain and everything. Gagong kinis ko, oh. Hoy, it's my 5th day, wala pa akong tigyawat. It means that hoy, I'm really trying hard. You know, every time na I can possibly sleep, I'm gonna sleep talaga. Like, kahit anong chance, inaaya nila ako mag-bonfire, mag-upo-upo sa balcony. Ay, by the way, here's the hotel. Ayan siya. Mag-upo-upo. It's Gasha Broom Hotel and Restaurant. Inaaya nila ako magtambay, magganyan, mag-walk. Sabi ko, sorry, no. Because tomorrow morning, ayoko ng parang ang haggard. Gusto ko yung 8 hours sleep, which I did today. I think I slept around 11, something like that. The hotel is very small lang. Ay, later ipapakita ko sa inyo yung yung itsura ng room namin. Kahit medyo makalat na. But compared to all the other hotels that we've stayed for the last 5 days, ito yung medyo malinis na, pasok na. I mean, for budget trips like this, don't expect. Okay? Again, do not complain. Hindi nakakaganda. Just a quick view of the place outside of the hotel. See, everyone is already inside the other cars and we still don't have. Amazing. Shout out to you. Hello. Hi. Hello. So, ayan. Wait, song. See, diba kami na lang nandito. Hoy, hindi ko pa pala na-mention kung how much yung trip ko. So, this one costs 30,000 rupees. And then the rest, like, it's just the accommodation, only breakfast and dinner, no lunch, and all the other entrance fees are not included. Okay. So, mag-alat pa kayo ng around, extra $100 lang for some other things, like for the entrances. And for the food, okay, I'm so magastos when it comes to the food. If I don't like the hotel food or the food that they serve us, I'm gonna buy my own, always. So, parang nadoble nga yung gastos ko because of the food. Because the food is not so good. Parang siguro for the last 5 days, 2 times pa lang yung masarap. Ganon. Hi! Ang kita mga tao talaga dito. So, ayan. Kita mo? I told you. Ito naman in-arrange. Sabi ng mga kasama ko, wag daw kami pumayag na dyan kami. Sa akin, bahala na. Okay na yan. Kakapagod mag-complain. Hayaan mo na silang yung gumawa. Hindi sila pumayag. O see? Ganon lang. Sabi nila, hindi kami sasakay dyan. Parang ganon. Ako okay lang kahit parang matapos na lang din to. Meron silang pagtitipon na nagaganap. Hi muna, hi. Good morning from Iscardo. Day 5. Ataray ng jeep namin, yung umaandar pa ba to? Ito may tsura day. From National Geographic to Gabi ng Lagim. O, diba? Shoota. Diba? The trip has started. Let's do this, everybody. Okay. Nakaka-feel ako ng maraming usually yung yung vibes ko always positive, tapos alam ko maraming magandang mangyayari. But this time may little, yung alam mo may konting kirot. Bahala kayo dyan. Hindi ko alam. What's kurot? Kurot like this, kirot. I forgot. Okay. Hello! Let's go. Let's do this. I am beautiful inside and out. Be brave and always be kind. Life is not easy, but it's beautiful. I am loved and I am not alone. And last but not the least, always be happy and smile. Okay, let's start the day, everybody. Wait, I forgot. Magsabi na ba ako ng intro ko? So again, everybody, come with me for today's video. We're gonna be going to Josai. Josai?
Yeah.
Oh, Josai daw, or something like that. We're gonna be going there. It's really beautiful out there. It's high altitude once again. And it's cold there daw. Okay, let's do it. I'm excited. Hoy, I'm happy. Wala pa akong pimple at the moment. Kasi alam mo ginawa ko, yung pillow, nilagyan ko siya ng 2 damit ko. Kinoberan ko talaga. Ganon. Sharing you a little bit of what's happening around Iscardo. Like the place where we stay. The place where we are staying. Okay, so this is like what it looks like outside. in case for those planning to go here, just so you can see the shops. Or maybe you can see something that you need, but I don't, but at least you saw it on my vlog. Tari ng uniform nila, oh.
से मारा है मैंने मन सोचा कभी तो मिलेगा मेरे कामों का रिटर्न अभी लेके अपनी लिस्ट तूने कर
Hoy, see the road. Oh, see. I told you there's a lot of batos here. Welcome to Beauty Josai, Pakistan. Ipyo. Bisaya na naman ako ang. Hello again sa mga Bisaya akong friends. I love you and I miss you all. You know that. You are always number one in my heart. Hoy, if I'm not Manilena, you know, I would like to be Bisaya. So, ayan na. Hello. Maayong banta. Kanin yung banda sa mga Bisaya akong friends. My message to you is, mga piste kayo, charas. Binura, gago. Diba? O, ganun lang. Look, I told you everybody talaga, promise, kapag hindi skilled driver yung driver nyo, ay dahil talaga sabi, double kill ka talagang gago ka. Dahil talaga, promise. Dahil pag talaga din fall down dyan na, ay! Shoot, good luck. Oh, you see that? Oh, at least, diba, pagkatapos mong bugbugin sa bato, pagkatapos kang intog-untog sa bato, lilinisin ka naman doon. At least, diba? Oh. Para pag diniliver ka raw sa house nyo, ay, malinis ka na. Charot. Ibahin natin yung topic ko, okay? Taray. This is our first stop, everybody. Para kang nasa at a bad lake. Ganon. Dito, goodbye said Paralake Skardu. Doon naman, goodbye Skardu. Wala kayo dyan? Ayan na. Okay, let's do this. Yung outfit ko today, super comfortable. Like, big white shirt, big black pants. Tapos, naka-sleepers muna ako. Kasi wala pa naman masyadong gana. Pero later, I'm gonna wear my shoes. Just a very quick view lang of what I am seeing right now. Okay, let's not film this a lot because I think napakita ko naman yung something ganito sa Atabad, remember? I think it was my previous vlog, just yesterday, my day 4, yeah, of my Skardu Hunsa trip when we were in Atabad Lake before we go to Pak China border. So again, that's it. Okay. And we are here sa Big Stone. Ganon. Welcome. Ay, di ba? I told you. Let's go travel the world. Ganon. Wait. Can I be here?
Yeah.
This may angle.
Yeah, okay.
Be part of my vlog. Oh. Nagpapalo tayo sa TikTok. Dapat lang.
You can take it.
Ay, you also do TikTok? I love it. That's good. There you go. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. Grabe yung ko. Yung ulo ko dahil. Kilong-kilo na ako sa daan. Grabe yung daan. Shotang alog. Adventure, here we go, everybody. Shotang alog, diba? Laban! Taray nito nung nakaka-outreach.
जैसे आप कल स्टोरी सुना रहे थे, सॉरी,
It's okay. No
स्टोरी
worries.
सुना रहे थे, हमसे गलती हुई है, हमने उन्हें गैस का पाइप नहीं लगाया.
Uy, shit, wait lang. Yung na-stuck kami. Hindi makaakit yung 4x4 namin, shucks. Oh my god, scary. Oh shoot. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. I hope we can make it. Wait. Should we go down? I'm scared. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, they switched the drivers. The other driver is helping us out. I hope no accident. I hope no accident. Please, please. Watch. Go down. Hoy, grabe, amoy ano na. Amoy nasusunod na yung makina namin. People are helping us na. Sit down na. Oh, ayan yung nangyayari. Hoy. Oh, ayun. Class. Hi, my God, that's adventure. My God, this. Hi, I'm telling you again as early as this that the Scardo Hunza trip is not for beginners, okay? This is not for faint-hearted. Faint-hearted. O, bahala kayo dyan. Basta ganon. Hindi ito sa mga mahihina ang loob, okay? Kasi I'm telling you along the way, you're risking your life every minute in every corner of this place. So, hilong na ako. Ayan, nasisimula na siya. Ayan na. Oh, see? I don't know if you can see it. Oh, ayan na. Simula na siya. Ay, ganito yung feeling pag nasa loob, shoota, oh. Oh, taka, oh. Ay, Diyos ko, Day. Magka 2 hours na yata kami 2 hours na yata kami nagaganito, Day. Ay, may mga snow na. Hala. Okay, go. Everybody, so, ayun na, malapit na kami sa tuktok. Nakikita niyo yung snow? Akala ko kanina kung ano yung puti. Sabi ko, snow ba yun? Tapos maya-maya sabi sa akin ni Osama, oy, look at that, capture that. Oh, ayun pala, may snow na. Okay, go. I love it. So, we are, you think how many more minutes before we arrive? 15? Ah, okay, we're near na. So, we got like 15 more minutes and we're finally there. Alam mo yung ang init kanina ng hangin. Ay, di pala siya mainit, like the sun lang. Biglang sabi ko, bakit parang lumalamig na? Nung tumingin ako bigla sa kaliwa, ayun, may snow na. Wait, sana huwag man kaming masiraan today because yesterday, you know, we remember the hassle. It took us really like a long hours before we were able to find a solution to what happened. But that's okay. Di ba? Ito yung adventure, Day. Sorry kung naaalog kayo. Alogin ko yung buhay niyo for today's video. Ayan. Maalog siya. Maalog. Buti na lang walang umaalog. Naaalog ako. Hawakan mo ko. Hold me. I'm like this. Makisama ka na lang, hawakan mo na lang. Hold me! Charot, naglande. Ayan, nawawala, ayan na siya. Hoy, alam mo, I'm starting to realize, diba, in the middle of life and death situation, nag-story time. You love that? I love that. Hoy, I noticed, I'm starting to have pekas, just like my mom. Minsan nakala ko may mga red ako sa body. Pekas pala siya. Misty sa look. Hoy, nag-ingat man ako sa camera ko kasi biglang siyang nababalibag. Adventure. Ganito talaga yung feeling pag nandito kayo, kaya talagang kung umaalog yung camera, umaalog talaga siya. Ganon. Hoy, hindi ko pa pala natitink si Sunny, yung bait niya. He was the one who's, you know, taking care of me like the whole trip. May bags, the food, lunch, everything. So, thank you, Sunny. Okay. See, everywhere I go, someone is assisting me. I love it. See, maybe they know I'm lampa and I'm not so strong. Strong lang ako. But anyways, okay, we arrived at our destination. Hi, everybody. Upo niya. Wait. Diba? Hi, everybody. Welcome to Government of Gilgit Baltistan. We are here na. Ang ganda. See, hindi mo kaya nakapay. Hi, wait nga. Okay, you know what? Ay, iwanan ko na lang yung payong ko. Nag-sunblock naman ako. Go. Magsa-sunburn kasi ako. Natatakot ako. Hindi nyo lang kita pero yung lips ko, sunburn to for 2 days. So, 2 days na akong nagtitiis ganda. Ang hirap kaya. Okay. So, okay. I'm gonna make videos. Let's go there. Wait. So, ayun. Kaya ako nakapayong. Kasi, pagising ko, Day, sabi ko yung labi ko parang parang nagbe-burn. Nabe-burn. Hindi kita yung eyes ko. Wait lang. Ang daming problema ng katawan ko. Nakaka-bad trip. Ang sakit kasi sa mata. Kapag wala akong ganito. If you don't know, my eyes are not good. It's negative positive. So I have to use this to protect my eyes. That's what the ophthalmologist told me. Tama ba? Sabi niya, most especially kapag direct sunlight, do not remove your glasses. That's why your eyes are always masakit. Ang cute makipag-usap nung ano ko. Ano pangalan nun? Basta, yun sa Dubai. She's the only ophthalmologist that I love because she knows my condition. My eyes my condition. Hoy, ang ganda. Wait lang. Hello. You look handsome today. Hey, look at my best friend. He's so handsome today.
Hello. Thank you.
Hi. Wait nga, I will remove my payong na. Everybody, we have finally arrived here. Sorry, what's the name? Diosat? Josai?
I don't know.
Diba? I forgot what's the name of the place. Alitport?
Alipur Top.
Okay, everybody, we have arrived. Whatever the place is, I think it's Alipur Top, something like that. Alam nyo na, so I chose this location. See, look at the location. It's so good. The flowers. You see the mountain and the cloud all in one. And you have me, your beautiful Kay Toretto. It was really a rough road, everybody. Like, accident is everywhere again. So I saw a lot of how do you say this? I saw a lot of like cars getting their tires blasted, something like that. But yeah, nevertheless, we arrived safely, and it was really like a good experience. It was an adventure. 100% it was an adventure. So I'm gonna show you like a little bit more of the place, and there are snows there, but I think it's gonna be far, and it's so nakakapagod when I go there. So, and no one's there as well. Yeah, so I'll take good pictures here, and I hope, again, welcome to the 5th day of my Skardu Hunza trip. And the day started not so good again because of the tour arrangement. But again, let's always choose to be positive and happy. So let's do this, everybody. Everybody, that's it. So we're leaving this place. Where are we going next?
बड़ा पानी ये कह रहे dangerous road of black water.
Where?
Black water.
Oh, black water daw. We're gonna go there next. So, everybody, by the way, it's just a quick tip, ha? Most especially for budget travelers like me. Before you go here, there will be like a lot of stores. So you buy your snacks, buy your drinks, and everything. Because here it's double the price, okay? But you have to understand, because like they have, imagine that they have to bring all those stuffs and foods and drinks here. So it's understandable, okay? But if you have a good tour guide or private tour, basta ganon, just tell them that you want to buy something before you go. I told the tour guide that I want to buy something, but again, I told you the tour is not so okay. So andun kami kanina, see, and we're going a little bit more higher. Diba? Higher, higher, higher. I believe. Fantasya, ganon. Let's go, everybody. Run! Run for your life! Hoy, naka-adjust na yung body ko kasi hindi na ako masyado nahihilo kapag mataas na kami. There, it's easier. Pinahirapan tayo. Okay, let's go. Dumi ng jacket ko pala. Yaman na. Sana hindi ma-sunburn yung lips ko kasi the last time mag-sunburn ako kapag malamig. Hi, Mama Inday. I'm finally walking the snow. I'm finally walking sa snow for you. Okay, let's go. I can walk.
No, after a few seconds. First one,
First one.
We will take videos of this. Then we will walk and do
all together. No, this is just for my mom.
Okay.
Jumping in the snow. Okay, that's it.
No. I think that's not a good video. You will make it again,
No, it's only for my mom. It's okay.
But no.
She just want me to walk like this. Like that.
In this video, we are stopping.
Let's touch.
We'll do it again for mom.
Okay, for mom. Yung texture ng snow, alam mo yung pag ano, bumibili ka ng shake. Ganon. Yung maganda to pag binlender mo dahil, ay. Oh, ayun, that's it. Okay. Yung amoy, wala. Ay. Ah! Buisit ka? Ay, talaga, pinagisan mo nila ako. Buisit kayo. Ay,
You.
Stop! Stop! I don't want na! Okay. Ay! I taste the snow. Wala naman siyang lasa. Busya, oh. Hala mo, bata, oh. Ay. Wait, may camera. Okay, gumanti tayo, everybody. Ay.
स्नो तो आ रही है मैं तो पिछला व्यू भी आया
Sunny. No! No! Buisit ka! Everybody, I feel so hingal right now. Tinikman niya yung snow. Hoy, yung snow pala walang lasa ha. Tastes like water. Okay, so I'm going back to the jeep na. I'm tired. Whew, that was fun. Hi, that was really fun and tiring. My God, may hingal. I feel so hingal right now. Okay, Mom, I hope you're happy because you wanna play me in this. You wanna watch me playing in the snow. Okay, so there. I hope you're happy. Hi, wait, let's meet our driver. I'm gonna ask his name because I don't want calling like a waiter, a driver. I always want to call people in their first name or how they want to be called because I prefer it the same way. Okay, so yun. Hello. What's your name? Say hi to my vlog.
My name is Kai Malisha.
Huh?
Kai Malisha.
Where are you from?
I'm from Gilgit-Baltistan. Where are you from?
Where? Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Philippines. Where are you from again?
Gilgit-Baltistan.
Gilgit-Baltistan. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry.
This is my homeland.
Yeah. What's your name again?
Kai Malisha.
Kay Malisha. May mali siya. May mali siya. Naiilang siya sa akin. Okay, go. Kay mali siya. Everybody, just a quick stop just to show you like how beautiful like the mountains are. Hoy, everybody, can you see that? See, oh, hello. What is that? What's that?
वो मैं नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कहता
Ang cute, oh, pala lang siyang nanonood. Hala, I hope you can see it.
देखना लेज पड़ गई है
Sunny's coming near. I hope he's not gonna run. Parang selfie siya doon, oh. See? Everybody, this is our next stop. Oh, see? Parang na akong gangster sa ginagawa ko dahil wala lang. Kasi parang feeling ko ano eh. Di ba? Parang hindi ka ayos ng buhok ano dito. Kasi ganun ka ng ganun dahil. Okay, for those who wants to come here, this is not the place for people who have motion sickness. Like mahihiluhin. Those people who have high altitude sickness, this is not for you, okay? This is like one of the second highest plateau, something like that. I read it earlier, but I was not able to finish it though. Okay, so I'll show you how beautiful the place is. Kahit yung may ginagawa ko sa buhay ko, oh my God, ang ganda. There's like mountain snow mountains. Malaki mag-adjust. Basta there, I don't know if you can see it from here. And then, here, you know what? I don't know how they can manage that, but this is super duper cold because it's coming from that mountain for sure. Huh? But I think it's really cold. Hello! I see see how beautiful the place is. I hope you can really see it right now. Oh, ayan siya. Wait. Kaya alam mo, itouch ko yung water para ma-experience ko man lang na once in my life, nagpunta ako dito sa... I don't want once in my life. I will keep coming back here. Ano ba? Wala ka sa buhay mo.
Do you want to go there?
No, I don't like. It's cold. But I like to try. Is it super duper cold?
It's not that cold. You can touch.
Really? I can touch
Yeah.
the water.
Yeah. Not that cold.
Yeah, it's not super cold. Yeah, I can manage this. Why don't we go all there together?
You can swim.
I can see.
I'm wearing the jogger pants. It will get back. लेकिन कुर्बानी तो सकता हूँ यार.
You can go. Just do like this, oh.
I can't do this.
So, because why did you wear something like that?
I don't have the idea.
Hoy, mestiza. Color red. Alam niyo yan. Do you like the trip?
प्रेशर बड़ा रहने दे
यार कैसा है कौन सा
हाँ?
डूब जाऊंगा ज़्यादा गीला होऊंगा.
Bayaan mo sila.
दूर आया रेस्ट तो लेना है. ये जाएगा मुझे 10 साल की कैद हो जाएगी. ठीक है कि?
ठीक है. अच्छा. Abdullah.
यार वैसे ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा तेज है यार.
Tignan mo ang pinagagawa nila, oh. Talaga naman kayo.
नहीं स्टेइंग द
अगर आपके जूते ठीक है ना फिर जाओ.
नंगे पाँव नहीं जा सकते.
Ha?
नंगे पाँव कौन फिसलेगा? स्लिपरी है.
Slippery? Yeah. Oh, ayun.
Any photo of us?
Do you want later?
Did you click any photo?
Yeah, you're part of my vlog now.
स्लिपरी जगह बहुत है.
Everybody, let's welcome the rest of the team. Like, the rest of the team, the rest of the gang, they are in the other car with us. So, okay, ang gulo ng English ko.
ये सीटें का नहीं.
Anything.
बस एक नजर तुझको देखा दिल में तुझकी तस्वीर लगी क्या नाम है तुझका रब जाने तुझको रांझे की
I want to try, but only little.
यार अकेला क्या जाऊंगा और भी जा रहे हैं.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
क्या आ जाओ. आप मेरी बात सुनो. तरीका दे. आपने और इन्होंने.
क्या do you want to join?
Only little. I don't like there. My power cannot manage.
You're from a cold country. Why can't you manage? You wanna go?
No, 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 only here. Only here. No, no, I don't like. No, no, only here. I don't like. Kayo lang. Only here. Hi! Ang ginaw, ayoko na. Fuck!
ये अब पानी ज़्यादा तेज हो गया.
Ang ginaw!
Yes.
I cannot manage. It's so maginaw. Shucks, kala ko kaya ko. Sabi hindi masyadong malamig. Don't believe them. It's really, really cold. It's not true. Shucks, parang nagigelo yung paa ko, shoota. You go na. You don't want? Oh, okay. Whew! Fuck ang ginaw, fuck ang ginaw. Wait.
एंडी आ जाओ वापस. आ जाएगा आप पे. आ जाएगा.
No! I cannot. I'm okay. Good.
Bye. मैं तो दोबारा शूज पार लगा.
Abdullah, can you get my sleepers? It's at the back, please. Thank you. Did you put your feet there? No. Why?
Yes.
Just you or me? Just me. Okay. Ah, lamig! Shucks. Wait.
Water is clear.
Yeah, I know. Super duper.
Drink it.
No. I know it's clean, but no.
Huh?
At the back.
Okay.
Okay, so how will you come back? Oh, see? I told you, you didn't listen to me told. Ang ganda, no? Hi everybody, so ito na. We have arrived sa aming next destination. I'm super pagod na. Super, nahihilo na rin ako ng very light. Dahil, we started traveling around 10. Before 10, mga ganon. And it's now 4 in the afternoon. Parang binabilibag yung utak ko, die my God. But, I mean, the place is rewarding. Like, all the balibag ulo is worth it. So, I mean, that's fine. But, medyo inaantok na rin ako. Parang whole day ka na lang ginaganon, die. Parang na-stress na ako. Oh. Anyways, I'll go to washroom. Hoy, very quick advice or tips for those who's planning to go here as well. Like, bring your water, because here it's expensive. So, also, like, lip balm with the one that has SPF. And ano pa ba? Ayun lang muna. And, yung mga medicine for motion sickness and high altitude kinamperot, mga ganon. Okay, that's it. I think this is the place where we're gonna have our lunch. So, I told you, so this is where we're gonna have our lunch. A lot of people are eating as well at this moment. See? Oh. Hey, what's inside? What is everyone doing here? Hello. Ano to? Ay, taray. May restaurant pala sa loob. Ang taray. Hoy, there's restaurant inside. Look. Ay, look oh. Ang cute. Okay. What? We eat here outside. Okay, let's go outside. Hoy, ang cute. May restaurant sa loob. Hoy, showing you a little bit more of the place. Look. Ganda, no? See that? Oh, snows. See, this is where we're gonna have our lunch. Lunch pa ba to? Mag-aalas 5 na, lunch pa din. Hoy, I see something inside. Let's check this out. Alam mo, napaka-ilamera. So, let's go. Hello. Hello. Parata yata to. Let me show you. Ah, okay. Oh, ayan oh. I think this is where you're cooking it. Tandu. Gusto ko yan. Oh, ang cute ah. Hey.
This is ata.
ये चाइनीज है
Ata.
Yeah, ata.
नहीं, Philippines. Philippine. The Philippine. Oh, ayan. Oh, see? Sabi ko, pwede bang makiupo dito kasi ang init ng araw sa labas. Alam mo yung feeling na ano, yung ang lamig ng hangin tapos ang init ng araw. Like, for now, you're not gonna feel it. But when you get home, it's time to rest for you. That's the time that you're gonna feel like, oh my God, your face is mahapde, your lips na-burn na, yung mga ganon. So, makiupo tayo sa loob. Go. Nagtago na ako. Yes. Ganito talaga ako. Pag pagod na ako, tsaka gutom na ako, yung feeling ko magmamaldita na ako. I'm isolating myself. Yes. Para ano, iwas issues back sabihin may attitude ako. Ako na yung nag-a-adjust. So, ganon. Pag kayo, alam nyo na, pag alam yung malapit na kayong yung social energy nyo, malapit nang maubos, go somewhere where you can relax. So, dito muna tayo. See, I'm alone, no one's here, makakapag-recharge ako kahit mga 20% social energy lang. Yes. Hello! Oh, he's the cook daw. Nice meeting you. Ay, bait mo talaga. Love mo talaga ako, no? Let's eat na. Alright, so we're just gonna have like a very quick food here. Mag-laps na tayo. Kasi gutom na ako tapos ubos na yung social energy ko. Ay, walang chicken? Ano nangyari? Walang chicken. Hoy, I forgot. This is the food. Maybe you're gonna ask me na naman, you did not sure what you're eating. Okay, this is just rice and beans with sauce. That's it. It's maanghang. Wala pala silang meat. Okay, so I go outside again because I'm gonna eat with a gang. I don't want to be a loner inside. Okay.
again and again.
Ha? Eat?
You eat again.
How come? Why they don't have meat here?
I don't know. Maybe it's difficult to boil meat. मैं कुछ नहीं करना.
वैसे चाहिए तो बता दो. जितना बाइक चाहिए अरेंज कर सकते हैं.
पर डे क्या होता है रेंट कैसे होता है?
मेरा अपना जाती बाइक.
The taste is good, but the,
हमने लाहौर और
but there's no meat.
बाहर
The taste is good, so it's still okay. Okay, yun na, tapos na akong kumain. Dami kong natira. Alam mo yung ano, by the way, I was a vegetarian before for 3 years, but it's been a long time. So, let's admit it, Filipinos love meat. Like whatever we do, we love meat. We will always come back eating meat and the rice. So, ayun. So, I don't know what's gonna happen next. I think we're just gonna have chai, something like that. Ooh, the English is working after eating. Lalo na ang English ka will work more after chai. So, ayun. Enjoy the view, everybody. Okay. Tari, nakaka-gangster yung outfit ko for today's video.
आप पुल पे जाके ही नीचे थोड़ी देर 5 मिनट बैठना आपको नजर आते हैं मछलियाँ जा रहे हैं
मछलियाँ बहुत है यहाँ पे
बेहतरीन मछली है
Init.
हाँ जी
परमिट बहुत सस्ता है
परमिट बहुत सस्ता है
एक मछली भी आप पकड़ लो आपको परमिट
Just waiting for the chai, everybody. Or I don't know if we're gonna have it here or we're gonna have it on the next destination. But let's see. So we're just sitting with the police officers right now, just having random conversation. I guess I don't understand it, but yeah. So again, we're done eating. It's time check. Almost 4:30. So view is amazing. Again, do not forget your sunblock. It's cold. You're not gonna feel it yet, but yeah, you might can have sunburn after. So super balot na balot, diba? Of course, I told you we can always travel without compromising your beauty. Like travel at the same time stay being beautiful. Ganun lang, di ba? Mga ganun bagay-bagay lang. Everybody, so we are going, so let's go kasi sunog na rin ako. Charos. It's been 5. Okay, it's my 5th day. Wala pa akong pimple. Usually kapag bago yung lugar, usually yan, mga 2nd, 3rd day, meron na ako agad yan. Pero this time, I really took care of myself. Like yung lahat talaga ng tinutulugan kong unan. Dahil dinatakpan ko talaga ng 2 damit ko. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Oh, ayun na. Let's go. We're heading home, everybody. So, ayun. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay. Once again, isang pack 360 before we leave this destination, this place. Huwag tayong marap dun sa araw. Masusunog ako. Di ano lang, pack 130. Kasi hindi ko naikot. Harap kasi ako sa araw, ayoko, masusunog ako. Alam ko na yan eh. Hoy, di na kami nakapag-chai. Sa next destination na daw. Okay, go. Ayan, back in the car again. Grabe yung pagod ko. Ano na, yung na lang, mga 10% na lang yung energy ko. Hoy, nakaupo na ako sa sa roaster. Sa bus, kaso lumapit yung mga polis. Julihin daw ako. Charos, picture daw. Okay, sure. Oh, go, picture daw. Picture? Okay, sure. Of course. There. One more picture daw. Hi everybody, Kate Tomato here. So just met like two of the police officers here, and I can say, that they're really taking care of this place, and you should visit this place definitely. I definitely recommend that. So go visit Pakistan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nice meeting both of you again.
Thank you.
Why did you come so late?
Washroom. Okay. Everybody, so here we go. Whew. We have finally arrived in our last location for today. So, remember like the mountains that I was showing you earlier? The blue mountains, the beautiful ones. So, like, this is it. This is the end of the road. And, sunset. Ay, alam, mamaya na yan. Mamaya na yung eye bags ko. Akala ko alikabok, eye bag na pala yan. Dahil grabe talaga tong last 5 days na to. But I mean, this is worth it. Like, man, this is beautiful. I can no longer say if this is Pakistan or Kashmir, or in my eyes, it looks unreal. Wow. Wow. Like, man, this is out of this world. This place is like, I've never seen anything like this. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Let me show you. Everybody, this is like, you know what, honestly, like this Iskarduhon sa Gilgit Baltistan trip, like, this is one of the most tiring trip adventure I've ever done in my life. Like, I know, like, it's just so tiring, but seeing this place, you know, it's like, it's all worth it. Ganda. Hoy, ang ganda nito, promise. Alam mo yung nakikita mo sa Game of Thrones, Vikings, Harry Potter, basta may mga snow na palabas na series. Everyone, you can see that in Pakistan. Like, whew. Like, uy, ano ba? It's so cold. It's really, really cold right now. Like, it's super duper cold. So, yeah, it's been 9 hours, like 9 hours travel. Hoy, ang ganda, promise. I mean, I've seen like this also when I was in Georgia, but I don't know, maybe it's also because Pakistan means a lot to me. So seeing this place, like, it's beautiful. Oy, 9 hours kang binabalibag. Alam mo yung parang bug. Kasi sa sasakyan, tapos bigla kang iuuntog. 9 hours, tapos 9 hours ulit pabalik, dahil grabe yung pagod ko. Tingnan mo yung eyebags ko, dahil, oh, grabe, kala ko alikabok. Eyebags pala yun. Eyebags na pala yan. Uy. So, ayan, di ba may sipon ako? Grabe yung lamig. Tapos yung kamay ko, nag-freeze na siya. Nanginginig na siya na parang, Hi, for everyone in the Philippines, cause I know that my TikTok and YouTube, like my #1 followers and subscribers are from the Philippines. Just so you know, like what it feels like to be like in the snow. It's like, when you go to 7-Eleven, okay, alam mo yung mga supermarket sa Philippines, basta yung pinakamalamig na part, kapag sininghot mo yon with the white flour, ganun siya, ganun yung feeling, as in, nag-freeze yung utak mo, dahil ganun. Everybody, so this is where I'm also gonna end my day. This is where I'm gonna end, like, my 5th day, the 5th day of my Iskarduhon sa trip. So right now, I'm no longer sure where am I. I'm no longer sure where the place is. But I'll just try to do research after, like, after this vlog, just so I can, like, put it in my description, like what the place is. But yeah, again, it was really a tiring day. It was really like an adventure, like 9 hours being inside the car, and, like, you know, the road is really rough. It was challenging. There were like a lot of challenges before we get to this destination, but thank God we are safe. We have arrived safely. So I think that's the best way to end this day, because nothing happened. Everything was just perfect, and again, look at the place. I mean, hoy, alam nyo, every time na I am in this kind of place, dito ko na-realize na, no, uy, worth it. Like, everything that I left behind is actually worth it. Because, really, oo, namalandi na, naglalandi, yes, puro gwapo, but yes, every time I see these kind of places, like, it's all worth it, it's beautiful. So, that's gonna be it. I'm not really gonna make this long, because I'm also really tired now. I just really want rest. I need to at least save more energy for myself. Again, it's gonna be like 9 hours travel going back to the hotel, and it's gonna be like the exact same road, and it's gonna be more difficult this time because it's gonna be evening time. But yeah, again, that's gonna be it. That I hope you enjoyed watching the 5th day of my Iskarduhon sa trip. This is Kay Toretto, and I hope that wherever you are, whatever you're doing right now, I hope you're good and you do have a great day. Bye-bye. Hoy, I'm really tired. I'm crying. Mano ba naman, for the last 5 days, I've only had like, siguro pag kinumpit mo lahat ng tulog ko, parang ano lang, 16 hours lang for the last 5 days. Yung tipong itutulog mo lang, yung sa sasakyan, magigising ka pa maya't maya. So, but I mean, it's part of traveling, it's part of any adventure. But this is just the beginning, so good luck. Diba umiyak na pagod? Pagod ako today. Ito yung mga oras na, ma'am, gusto ko ng adobo. Hindi pong alam yung pag umuwi ka, handa na yung niluto ng mama mo. Kasi dito, it's one of the reality of solo traveling. When you get back to your hotel, you're alone, and you still have to take care of yourself. That's the difference. But still, traveling is beautiful. But this is just like one of the disadvantages, or one of the reality, like the sad reality of solo traveling. Ma'am, luto mo ko adobo. Yung palambutin mo, mabuti yung balon-balunan, tapos konting sile, tapos luto yung suka, tapos malapot yung kanin, ayun yung gusto ko ng adobo. Bye-bye. Oh, ayan. Kailangan mo na basagin yung momentum kasi pabalik na tayo ulit sa van, di ba? Buti na lang kahit umiiyak ako, maganda ako. Okay, 9 hours na naman to. Pagod na ako talaga. Gusto ko nang matulog dito. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Scardo, Gilgid, Baltistan. Kung ano ka man, kung nasan man ako. Bye-bye, thank you. Ang ganda mo. Naiiyak ako pag nakakita ko ng magandang lugar. Thank you. Sana sa mga nanonood nito na-appreciate nyo to. It's super beautiful. This place is so beautiful. I hope you loved it. Ayun na, nagsama-sama na yung emotion ko. Yung pagod, yung ganda ng lugar. Gusto ko na matulog. Bye-bye. Bonus clip, everybody. So this is what it looks like. So the whole time I was just looking like at the back because I want to save the best time to sit in front. So this is the best time, like the sunset when it's about to meet the dawn. Tama ba yun? Bahala kayo dyan. Just so I can show you like what the road looks like. Oh, see, it's so scary, right? So the camera is moving the way that the car is moving, like also my body, that's how it moves. So this is like the situation for the last, I don't know kung ilang oras din nakalipas. Basta we left at 10 and now is, okay, I don't know. I don't have my watch with me. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that beautiful view, the mountains, the snow, and everything. Oh, once again, let's thank our the Megang today. Thank you, Abdullah, Sama, Nasa, Sani. Thank you. And Malaysia. Oh, ayan. And our a very, very good, skilled, and careful driver for today's video. So, ayun, we're gonna be heading back home. I'll show you like a little bit more of the clip, whatever, what else I can capture, I'll show you. But just very little lang because this is bonus clip, and I know that this vlog is really long na, but I hope you don't get bored. So, ayun. I wanna tell you that for the last 5 days of my trip, this is the most tiring, but this is the best. Yes, I'm honest. Thank you very much for making this day super easy. I really like to thank these guys. No complaints, no anything. They don't even want any like special treatment. Just normal, simple. Umupo lang, sumakay, nag-enjoy, nag-picture, yun lang. So again, thank you very much, and I will not forget this day. Thank you, bye-bye. Bye everybody again, Kay Duretto, and babay na naman. O, basta babay na.